If you have an Oculus Quest or a VR headset and you need a fast cable that's also very long, this one right here is the one you're going to want to get. This thing is a 16-foot link cable. It gives you 5 gigabytes per second speed. It gives you 18 watts of fast charging and a 5-volt 3 amp power. And yeah, it's really, really high quality cable. It's very thick, giving you that fast speed. But not just speed, but reliability, because that's also important too. You do not want any kind of dropouts or anything like that. This is going to just work, and it's so fast. It's also great if you need to like plug in any other accessories but need a longer cable. This is a great way to do that. But yeah, I love the quality of this, and I also love that it comes with this little strap on it, so you can easily keep it all together. If you have any slack and you don't want it to, you know, hang around, you can easily just loop this thing through and hold it into place. Really great cable. Love using it for data transfer. But yeah, especially with VR headsets, you need that extra space. That's going to be a great way to use it. And on the USB-C side, it has a 90-degree plug-in, so it makes it a lot easier. Instead of sticking straight out, it will just like stick in and go straight down, which is way easier. So if you're looking for a long cable, or maybe you know someone that has a VR headset, this would also be a great gift. They're usually looking for a longer cable that's going to give them a little bit more mobility and freedom when they're using their VR headset. So this would make that great gift, but also just great all around to have a long cable like this that is at this high speed. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.